Hello there my crafty friends, this is card number 8 in my full deck challenge. I start by adding some ink to the edges of the card. I'm using the Tim Holtz ink pad in Vintage Photo. I'm now adding a layer of Mod Podge to seal the ink, otherwise it'll smudge. This is a tissue that I have used to dry tea bags on, and I like the colors that it's dried with, so I'm going to add a little bit of that on the wet Mod Podge just for some texture and a bit of a vintage feel. Once the Mod Podge is dry, I'm going to add some layering. For this card, I'm going to keep it very simple. I'm using a printed sheet of a vintage document that I found on Pinterest. I just select an area that I like and I rip a piece that will suit my card and I edge it with the Vintage Photo ink and I adhere it with some Mod Podge. You could also use gel medium or craft glue or even a glue stick. I'm adding a piece of cardstock. I really like this burnt orange with some looks like script text on. I'm just adding a small piece of that for some interest, and I'm going to add some of these flower stickers. They're on a transparent background and I really like the way they look. I choose a color that I like the contrasting purple, and I adhere those down. I'm going to add one more piece of layering to this layout. I'm going to use a piece of handwritten text. It's a printout also from Pinterest, some vintage documents that I found, and I just find a piece and size that suits where I want to place it. I'm going to edge that with the ink, and then I'm going to machine stitch down the right and left hand side with a zigzag just to add a bit more texture and to attach the items to the card. I trim off the excess threads. I don't want them too long, so I leave the black threads slightly long and I cut the back threads totally off. My bobbin is white, so the back is white, but that doesn't really matter. And this card is done. I punch a hole in the top left hand corner so I can add them to the ring with the rest of the cards that have been completed. Wow, was that quick or what? I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have some inspiration to create your own altered playing cards and maybe join my challenge to alter a full deck. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell button so you can get notification when I upload new content. I'll see you again soon. Bye.